Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, guys, today is Friday. It is day one of the 75 Chrome Shop Big Rig Truck Show. Right now, the weather is perfect, although it doesn't look like it's going to stay that way long. So we're going to take advantage of the sunshine and the blue skies, and we're going to walk around and show you guys a little bit of what's here. All right, guys, you can see out front we got all kinds of food vendors, barbecue, tacos, donuts, sausage, even root beer floats.
Yeah. But I saw it at Harrisonburg. Best thing ever. Yeah, best thing I've ever eaten.
It's funny, he goes by that on the vending circuit.
All right, guys, here's a better look at that semi-casual truck. I love this color. It is called Hot House Green. And of course, the semi-casual crew is here selling their gear as well. All right, guys, just realized I was filming too. We got Bruce Wilson hanging out right over here with Brian. beautiful dog, sir.
Thanks, man.
Guys, we can work up quite the appetite walking around the 75 Chrome Shop Truck Show. And this little food truck here, we here last year and we here once earlier in the week, and I tell you what, it is fantastic. I believe they're called Island Tings. Great, like Mexican food, island type food, burritos, absolutely fantastic. Give them a try if you're coming by the Chrome Shop.
Hey guys, whenever you're down at 75 Chrome, come see us at Island Tings. We'll get you hooked up with some good food.
Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed the tour around the 75 Chrome Shop Big Rig Truck Show today. You know what's amazing is, just like at the Matt Show, there weren't just the same old duplicate trucks here. There were some that were at Matt's, there were some that were here from last year, but there was a lot of new trucks I'd not seen before, a lot of really cool stuff coming out, and I got to meet a lot of really cool drivers, and it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching, and until the next time I see you, keep those engines running.